Invest in the market like a pro with these hot tips. This could be the best time in history to start investing in the stock market.Â. If you don't know where to start, this video can help you find the best investments for you. This video is full of solid advice to help your investments get to where you want them to be, so keep watching. Keep in mind that there is a variety of stocks available. Compared to bonds, commodities, real estate and certificates of deposit, stocks might seem like a singular venture, but within the stock world there are many options. Common divisions within the stock market include specific sectors, growth patterns and sizes of companies. Stock investors routinely discuss things like small and large caps and growth versus value stocks. It is good to learn the terminology. If you have some spare money to invest, consider putting it into your employer-based pension plan. Many companies will match a percentage up to 100% of the contributions made by its employees, and this is basically the opportunity to receive free money. If you don't take advantage of this, it is tantamount to wasting quite a substantial opportunity. Be prepared with a high-yield investment account stocked with 6 months of your salary that you can use in case of an unexpected problem with your finances. With this safety net in place, you can meet mortgage expenses and pay other bills until the matters are improved. Keep in mind that investing is a business, not a hobby. You're doing this to make money, not for fun. Anytime you're doing something regarding your investments, whether it's getting a magazine subscription or investing in a new stock, you need to sit down and ask yourself whether it's going to help you make money, or if you'll lose money from it. It is very essential that you always look over your stock portfolio a few times a year. The reason for that is the economy is changing frequently. Particular sectors will start to do better than the others, and certain businesses could turn obsolete. Depending on the time of year, some financial instruments are better investments than others. You must watch your portfolio and change it as necessary. Investing should not be considered a hobby. It's a very competitive business, so you should treat it as such. You must understand your own profit and loss as well as those companies making those investments. Keeping this in mind can make the thought process and strategy creation for investing much easier. Make sure that you are properly educated before investing in the stock market. You need to have a basic knowledge of accounting, annual reports and the stock market history. There is no need to be an actual accountant, though the more understanding you have, the better off you will be. More than any other time in history, now is a great time to start investing in the stock market. And now that you have some useful investing tips, you can feel confident about taking the leap and making investments that suit you. Dedicate yourself to it, and you'll find your investments will start to grow. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.